Hey guys, it's Siram here. We're back with another Destiny. So yeah, you can kind of set your waypoint and where you're going. I'm gonna go right back to where we were. Look at my awesome, sexy ship that you probably also have if you have this game.
There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city with that one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again. A Guardian ship was recently shot down here. If the Fallen haven't gotten to it, there might be parts we can salvage.
So hopefully in the next video I'll have a couple of my friends playing with me. Yeah, when I first pre-ordered this game, I wasn't sure what to expect. I didn't know much about Destiny. Honestly, didn't even know this is how it was going to play through.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can call their last transmission. They managed to restore an information hub here, down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
Yeah, so I wasn't sure if this game was going to play like Halo, considering Bungie, and then Activision made, so I was like, might have a little Call of Duty feel to it, but this is pretty open world. I forgot how to punch. I only uploaded a video last night, and then I wanted to get that video up as quick as possible, so I had to turn the game off, even though I wanted to play some more. Alright, thanks phone for ruining my recording. How unprofessional. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm out of here. Sorry about my phone and its gay ringtone. And me not going the right way because I wasn't paying attention to the map at all. I need to turn the sensitivity up.
A map of the entire area. What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon. Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back. Hey, another player. Totally didn't know that could happen either. That's pretty cool. So I'm guessing it's pretty much like a big MMO, but kind of Halo gameplay style. Scanning for the warp drive. Bad news. It's already in fallen hands. I hope you're ready for this.
Die in the darkness zone, you'll return to the start. I don't intend to die.
It's in the walls!
guys first. Oh shit. No, don't die. I guess more of these little ones are gonna keep spawning. It's not helping. Yes.
You just killed an Archon, and we got a warp drive. This could cripple the Fallen. We need to go see the Speaker.
I guess this is the end of this mission. Just waiting for it to end. Lift Striker, no active bonuses. Zyrum, level 2. So I'm gonna talk during this cutscene. I'm not gonna cut it out, or not cutscene, loading screen. If any of you guys want to do maybe a YouTube video with me with Destiny, since I don't really have any friends that have Destiny right now, you can add me. I'm Zyrum, obviously.
There was a time when we were much more powerful. But that was long ago. Until it wakes and finds its voice, I am the one who speaks for the traveler. You must have no end of questions, Guardian. In its dying breath, the traveler created the ghosts to seek out those who can wield its light as a weapon. Guardians to protect us and do what the traveler itself no longer can.
What happened to it?
I could tell you of the great battle centuries ago. How the traveler was crippled. I could tell you of the power of the darkness, its ancient enemy. There are many tales told throughout the city to frighten children. Lately, those tales have stopped. Now, the children are frightened anyway. The darkness is coming back. We will not survive it this time.
Its armies surround us. The Fallen are just the beginning.
What can I do?
You must push back the darkness. Guardians are fighting on Earth and beyond. Join them. Your ghost will guide you. I only hope he chose wisely.
I did. I'm sure of it. We're in this together now.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the second video here. If you guys want some more, please like and subscribe. Like I said, if any of you guys want to hop on, I'm on the PlayStation 4. You guys can add me. My account is Zyram, obviously. We can do some YouTube videos together. We can do some multiplayer together. I don't care. If you guys like the video, and I know I'll put only a little commentary in here because I was just letting the game speak for itself again. Give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.